Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get into herbs versus diatomaceous earth for a parasite cleanse. Now stay to the end as I'll be going into the pros and the cons and come to a conclusion. So this is a hot topic, but what works better, diatomaceous earth or herbs? But just before I get into it, if you've been following my parasite cleanse journey, you know I've been sharing different meals, herbs, and how to make a parasite cleanse tea that I've been using for my own parasite cleanse. Now, I've been using a combination of powerful herbs like wormwood, black walnut hulls, clove, and neem leaves, which I've got here. And this is the wormwood, black walnut hulls, clove, and neem leaves. Now each of these herbs play a unique role in the cleanse. Now wormwood and black walnut hulls are excellent for attracting adult parasites. Clove destroys parasite eggs, and neem leaves support the body's detoxification process. Now if you prefer diatomaceous earth for your parasite cleanse, I've got you covered. And if you want these herbs and diatomaceous earth, you can get organic and wildcrafted herbs at naturalworkshops.com by clicking the link in the description below. Now, diatomaceous earth works by physically cutting into parasites and dehydrating them, but remember, it can also take out some of your good gut bacteria, and that's where probiotics come in. Adding probiotics to your routine will help restore your gut's balance during or after your cleanse. You can support your gut with fermented foods like sauerkraut, which naturally support gut microbiome. Now, herbs are great, but if you've ever tried something like wormwood tea, you know it's not exactly a treat for your taste buds. The bitterness can be challenging, but I've got a few tricks to help with that without adding sugar. One easy fix is to add a slice of lemon or lime. Now this not only cuts out the bitterness, it also supports digestion. Another option is using cinnamon or ginger. These spices sweeten the tea naturally and come with their own benefits, because cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and ginger supports digestion, which is perfect for any cleanse. So as you can see, both diatomaceous earth and herbs are popular options for parasite cleansing, but they work in different ways. But let's get further into this debate as they have distinctive pros and cons. Here's a comparison breakdown to help you decide which might be best suited for your needs. Now, diatomaceous earth is a natural substance made from fossilized remains. They're tiny aquatic organisms, and these are called diatoms, and it's commonly used for various health benefits, including parasite cleansing. Let's start with the pros. Diatomaceous earth acts mechanically. Its sharp microscopic edges cut through the outer shells of parasites, leading to their dehydration and death. Diatomaceous earth can also help to cleanse the digestive system by absorbing toxins and promoting regular bowel movements. It's rich in silica, which is beneficial for hair, skin, and nails, and it works against a range of parasites and pests. The cons are, without water, diatomaceous earth can lead to constipation as it absorbs fluids. It can kill beneficial gut bacteria alongside harmful parasites, so it may disturb gut balance. It may take a while to notice results, and multiple doses are often necessary. Now let's take a look at herbal parasite cleanses. Herbs like wormwood, black walnut hulls, cloves and neem leaves work by targeting parasites through various biochemical actions. The pros are different herbs target parasites at various stages of their life cycle. For example, wormwood and black walnut are thought to attack adult parasites while cloves target their eggs. Herbs often have additional properties such as anti-inflammatory, digestive support, or immune boosting benefits. Now, herbal remedies may be gentler on the digestive system than diatomaceous earth. Now, let's look at the cons. Some herbs can cause strong detox reactions or die off symptoms, including headaches, nausea, or fatigue. Some herbs, especially in teas, can be quite bitter or unpleasant to consume. Herbal cleansing requires a consistent routine, and some people may find it harder to stick with compared to taking diatomaceous earth. So which should you use? If you're looking for a mechanical approach with fewer herbal interactions, diatomaceous earth might be a good option, particularly if you also want to support hair, skin and nail health. If you prefer a more natural, holistic approach that can also offer other health benefits, then using a combination of herbs may be more effective. You can also customize your cleanse by selecting herbs that suit your specific needs. Ultimately, you can combine both methods, using herbs to target parasites directly and diatomaceous earth for extra detoxification and cleansing of the digestive system. Just make sure you're drinking plenty of water and consulting with a healthcare professional if you're unsure about dosage or timing, and most importantly, do not start any herbal regimen without consulting your healthcare provider if you have a pre-existing health condition or taking any medication. Now, if you're considering a parasite cleanse, but you're worried about the cost, but don't be, because I've been using organic and wildcrafted herbs from naturalworkshops.com, and right now you can get 50% off on these powerful parasite fighting herbs, including the food grade diatomaceous earth. And yes, they're the same herbs that I actually use in my parasite cleanse. And I made a video on how to do a parasite cleanse on a budget without spending a fortune. So if you haven't seen that video yet, check it out after this one. So now you know you can combine both diatomaceous earth and herbs for even more of a powerful cleanse. But remember, the diatomaceous earth works physically to remove parasites, while the herbs support your body and target parasites at different stages of their life cycle. Just remember to stay hydrated and keep those probiotics going. So whatever you do, if you go with diatomaceous earth, the herbs and the diatomaceous earth can be a good combination. And remember to listen to your body. Now, if you're using diatomaceous earth, make sure you're staying hydrated and taking probiotics. And for the herbs, tackle the bitterness with lemon, cinnamon, or ginger. And that way you can stay on track with your cleanse without sacrificing your taste buds or your gut health. And that concludes my diatomaceous earth versus herbs for a parasite cleanse. Now, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. And if you're interested in natural health solutions, come join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have some fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. So once again, thank you so much for joining. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. Remember, be happy, stay healthy, and be wise.